Hi, this is Folio 9480M. Yep, right here. 9480M. And it's not working. It turned on, but not display on the screen. So, log in, keyboard light flashed, and it's on. Here's a light. Fan is spinning. Yep, the fan is spinning at top speed, but there's no display. Heading here, no caps lock whatsoever. Nothing. No, maybe 3 blinking, 1 blinking, or 5 blinking. Yeah, see it has turned off. Yep. Yes, it turns off on its own. All right, so no display. Next, what I'm going to do next is to take some voltage the motherboard. So I will set my multimeter to voltage mode, that is voltmeter. Yep. Negative probe to the ground, positive probe. So for a fact that it's on, that means there will be 3 and 5 volts. So I don't need to measure that. 3 and 5 volts should be around here. Okay, let me measure this. So this is 3.3 volts. Yeah. Yes, 5 volts. 3.6? No, it shouldn't be 3.6. Yeah, that is 5 volts. Good. So moving forward, so let me try to take measurement on top of this RAM and see if we can see 1 point something volts. If I can see it, that means 1.3 volts. So that means RAM voltage is there. So next is CPU, and here is the CPU. It is cold. It is cold. Yeah, it is cold. Very cold. So definitely there's not going to be a voltage here. It should be 1 point something volts. But as it is, nothing. So that means the CPU voltage is absent. Okay, that explains why the fan is running at top speed. So I'll remove the charger. Next is to lose this thing out and see and try to check if the chip right here for the CPU, the chip that produces the CPU voltage, is being told to turn on, but it's not turning on. So if it's being told to turn on, there's no turning on, so that means this chip has problem. All right, but if there's no voltage, that is there's no voltage, that is enable pin is absent, so that means this is not at fault. So I'm going to plug it again and try to take the readings from there. Plug in, we have a light that's turned on, we have a fan spin at top speed. So this negative probe to ground. So it seems it turns off, it turns on again. Is that a CMOS reset? All right, this is cool. If it is working, I can't hold it this way, otherwise it's going to burn my finger, but nothing. So it is cold. All right, so Next is to check why there is no, yeah, nothing there. This shape here is, let me say if there is V in, yeah, there is V in, that is 19 volts. So 19 volt get to this place, but there's no output. All right. Next is this chip has boots. So it's a boot that enable this chip in order to produce to give output. So and the enable there is boot R and there is boot. So here is the pin around here. Nothing here. Nothing. Let me check the second one. Yeah, this is 4 volts. That is one side is 4, but the other side nothing. Nothing right here. Nothing. Okay. Okay, let me check here. So we do have 5 volts here. That is for the VD at the other side. Okay. So at this rate, now this I try to check the schematics for this motherboard, but the one I'm seeing, I could not find the one that has this. It's totally different from this. So what I'm going to do is, as it is now, what I'm going to do is to target this BIOS, try to rewrite this BIOS and see, because obviously, one voltage is missing there. Yes, one voltage is missing there, and that is okay. After this V in, there is boot R. Yeah, is that boot R or boot? Yeah, that should be boot. That should be boot. It's missing. Okay,